Far in the northern reaches of Europe lies a land that seems almost painted by nature itself, a place where the midnight sun refuses to set in summer and the northern lights dance across the winter sky. This is Finland, a country that defies simple descriptions, where ancient forests stretch to the horizon, glassy lakes reflect 1,000 stories, and centuries of history echo through medieval streets and modern skylines. Finland is not a place you simply visit. It's a place you experience, a living, breathing landscape that changes its character with every season. In summer, the sun lingers for weeks above the horizon, bathing forests, lakes, and cities in endless golden light. In winter, the world turns to silver, frozen lakes become highways, and the sky itself becomes a stage for nature's most dramatic performance. Begin in the south, where the capital, Helsinki, rises gracefully from the shores of the Baltic Sea. It's a city built on contrasts, where neoclassical cathedrals watch over cutting-edge design districts and traditional market halls hum alongside sleek coffee shops and tech startups. Helsinki isn't just a capital, it's a celebration of Finnish identity. Its 330 islands and peninsulas give the city a rhythm dictated by the water, while its architecture tells the story of a nation shaped by East and West, yet wholly its own. Rising above Senate Square, the gleaming white Helsinki Cathedral has become one of the country's most iconic landmarks. Its green domes and statues of apostles gaze over the city below, a reminder of the nation's layered past, from Swedish rule to Russian influence, and finally independence. A short walk away, the red brick towers and gilded domes of Ouspensky Cathedral tell a different story. One of Orthodox tradition and cultural fusion, a visual symbol of Finland's diverse heritage. But Helsinki's story isn't confined to the mainland. Just a 15-minute ferry ride from the city center lies Suomenlinna, an island fortress unlike any other. Built in the 18th century to protect these waters, it has served Swedish kings, Russian czars, and finally the Finnish people. Today, its stone walls and winding tunnels are more than relics. They're home to a living community of nearly 1,000 residents. Walking here is like stepping into a history book that never closed. A few hours' journey west brings you to Turku, Finland's oldest city and once its capital. Sitting where the Aurora River meets the sea, Turku has been a gateway between cultures for centuries. Its medieval castle, with walls that have seen wars, coronations, and revolutions, still stands proudly on the riverbank. Nearby, the Grand Turku Cathedral, over 700 years old, continues a tradition that began in the Middle Ages, the Declaration of Christmas Peace, proclaimed every year on Christmas Eve. Further along the coast lies Naantali, a town so picturesque it feels like it was built for fairy tales. Founded around a convent in the 15th century, Naantali turns magical in winter when the surrounding sea freezes over, creating a natural playground for locals who skate across the ice under a pale Nordic sun. Beyond the mainland, scattered like emeralds across the shimmering Baltic, lies the autonomous Åland archipelago, a serene world of over 6,500 islands, where Finnish sovereignty blends effortlessly with Swedish culture. Life here unfolds at a gentler pace, shaped by centuries of maritime tradition and the rhythms of the sea. Quaint wooden villages with pastel-colored houses line quiet harbors, while lush apple orchards, nourished by the region's mild climate, burst into bloom each spring, filling the air with their sweet fragrance. At the edges of the islands, weather-beaten lighthouses stand guard, their beams cutting through Baltic mists just as they have for centuries. But the archipelago's most captivating stories lie beneath the surface. More than 500 shipwrecks rest silently on the seafloor, their remains offering a haunting yet fascinating glimpse into a time when these waters were the crossroads of Northern Europe's trade and exploration. Rising proudly above this maritime realm is Kastelholm Castle, a medieval stronghold that once controlled the vital shipping lanes connecting the Baltic to the wider world. Its stone towers have witnessed battles, royal intrigues, and the rise and fall of kingdoms, and today they serve as an enduring monument to Åland's layered and storied past. Further along Finland's western edge, the landscape takes an unexpected turn. Here, the Nordic wilderness softens into something almost Mediterranean. In Jyteri, vast golden sand dunes roll endlessly toward the sea, forming one of Northern Europe's most distinctive and spectacular beaches. The air carries the scent of salt and pine, and as the sun begins to set, the horizon glows with warm amber light, a scene more reminiscent of southern Europe than the far north. The long, shallow shoreline invites lazy summer days, while the Baltic winds draw surfers and kiteboarders from across the continent. Just beyond these windswept shores lies the city of Vasa, a place whose very identity is built on resilience. Founded in 1606 and nearly wiped out by a catastrophic fire in 1852, Vasa refused to fade into history. Instead, it was rebuilt closer to the sea, transforming itself into a dynamic hub of industry, science, and culture. Today, its bustling port serves as a vital link between Finland and its western neighbors, while sleek, modern architecture rises where wooden warehouses once stood. Museums, galleries, and universities now fill the city with energy and innovation. Yet Vasa has never lost touch with its maritime roots. Its story, one of reinvention, perseverance, and progress, mirrors that of Finland itself, a nation that thrives by embracing both its past and its future. Head inland and you'll find Tampere, a city shaped by water and driven by progress. Cradled between two vast lakes, it was once the beating heart of Finland's industrial revolution, where roaring rapids powered the factories that built the nation's modern economy. Today, that legacy still lingers, but it's been transformed into something far more dynamic. Old red brick mills now house museums, cozy cafes, and creative studios, giving the city a fresh cultural pulse. The streets buzz with a mix of history and innovation, where traditional markets sit beside cutting-edge design spaces. Rising above it all, the Näsenula Observation Tower offers sweeping views of lakes, parks, and rooftops. A perfect spot to see how Tampere's past and present flowed together seamlessly. Further north, Jyväskylä showcases Finland's architectural soul. This city is practically an open-air museum of modernist design, thanks to the visionary architect Alvar Aalto, whose clean lines and mastery of natural light transformed the urban landscape. Surrounded by pristine lakes and dense forests, Jyväskylä embodies Finland's unique ability to harmonize nature with human creativity. As winter's grip tightens, Finland's landscape transforms once again. In Kuopio, frozen lakes become natural highways, and snowy forests stretch as far as the eye can see. From the top of Puijo Tower, the world below seems carved from ice, a frozen wonderland waiting to be explored. East of here, on the shores of Lake Saimaa, stands Olavinlinna, the northernmost medieval stone castle in the world. Built in the 15th century to guard the eastern frontier, its walls have endured countless sieges. Today they host one of Europe's most extraordinary opera festivals, where music echoes across the water under the glow of the Nordic summer sun. Saimaa itself is a masterpiece of nature, a labyrinth of over 13,000 islands and crystal-clear waterways shaped by ancient glaciers. It's home to one of the rarest seals on Earth, the Saimaa ringed seal, which has lived in these waters since the Ice Age. In summer, boats glide through its glittering channels beneath endless blue skies. In winter, the entire lake freezes into a vast network of ice roads, connecting remote communities and turning the landscape into a giant natural arena. Northward still, the scenery becomes wilder, more untamed. The town of Rovaniemi, perched on the edge of the Arctic Circle, is known around the world as the official hometown of Santa Claus. But beyond the festive charm lies a city rebuilt from the ashes of World War II. Its streets designed in the shape of reindeer antlers, a tribute to Lapland's ancient traditions. In winter, the night sky above Rovaniemi comes alive with the northern lights, their green and purple ribbons dancing in silent celebration. For those craving adventure, Urho Kekkonen National Park is a vast playground of rugged fells, frozen lakes, and ancient trails. Here, reindeer wander freely, Arctic foxes dart across the tundra, and time itself seems to slow. Visitors can explore on foot, by snowshoe, or even behind a team of huskies, gliding silently through landscapes that have remained unchanged for millennia. In summer, the sun never truly sets, bathing the wilderness in a soft golden glow and offering endless days of exploration. And then there is Lake Saimaa's little-known cousin, Lake Pilanen, a shimmering expanse surrounded by pine-clad hills and hiking trails. From the summit of Koli National Park's Ukko-Koli Hill, the view stretches endlessly across water and forest. A panorama so iconic it's been immortalized in Finnish art and literature for generations. What makes Finland truly remarkable is not just its landscapes, but the way they weave together. The way history and modernity, wilderness and civilization, tradition and innovation all coexist in perfect balance. It's a country where medieval castles stand beside cutting-edge architecture, where ancient forests shelter ultra-modern cities, and where you can ski beneath the northern lights one day and sail through a summer sunset the next. Finland's wonders are not confined to postcards or guidebooks. They are alive, in the silence of a snow-covered forest, in the laughter of locals skating across a frozen bay, in the soft glow of the midnight sun on a lake's surface. They are found in the warmth of a wooden sauna on a winter's night and in the cool breeze that drifts through a pine forest in midsummer. They're in the resilience of cities that rose from ashes and in the timeless rhythm of a land shaped by ice, water, and fire. For those who seek beauty in the extremes, in the deepest cold and the brightest light, in the oldest traditions and the boldest innovations, Finland is more than a destination. It's an experience, a story still unfolding, and a reminder that the greatest wonders often lie at the edges of the map. So when your next adventure calls, follow the northern winds, wander through forests that have stood for millennia, cross frozen lakes beneath the dancing aurora, lose yourself among islands and castles, dunes and waterfalls, and let the wonders of Finland remind you that the world is still full of places where magic isn't just imagined, it's real. If this journey stirred your sense of wonder, stay curious, because the adventure never truly ends. The next chapter is waiting, and it might just begin with the click of a play button.